Hello guys. What's the plate? Good morning guys. This is our another day with a dog. Yes, of course. This is our second day. We are going to the race track today also. Then as you can see, race is going on with the ARC. But we are going to watch Moto3, Moto2 and MotoGP. So we have a little bit of plan. Here is our Ducati boys.
Hi.
Yes. They are the best people assisting us here.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your all support for Filipino fans and Filipino clients.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure having you.
Yeah, and we want you guys to come to Philippines and we are going to ride.
100%.
Yeah, please.
Invite us.
Please come
Go on
anytime.
the plane,
Please come. It's just a
Plane.
2.5 hours, fly. You come down and we ride with the thousands of Ducatis.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, guys, you can expect this. Both of them will be there in the Philippines soon.
See you soon. Have a good one. See you soon.
Yeah, here is our Ducati girls. Ducati boy. Okay, Ducati boy. Lady boy. Okay. They are the nice people, guys. They are the one is assisting us. This is our area. So we will be going to have some interviews and everything. This is our van is arrived. Yeah, and you can see. Yeah. Sharp 10 o'clock. They will be arriving. Doc, excited car today? Today is the main event.
Main event, the race day. So especially with the actions we've seen yesterday, it should be interesting.
Yeah, so today is something very exciting because this is a main race. What you seen yesterday, that was only trailer
Yeah.
from Mark Marcus.
And we'll see.
Yeah.
Hopefully we get good results. So anyway, whatever happens, it's a good spectator.
Okay, so anyway, my question is, you are the one of the guy won the raffle. What is your experience about having a Ducati bike and having this privilege and all the stuff?
Yeah, I bought my bike because I really like that. That's all I wanted. I should have asked for, and then I got this blessing from Ducati, which made it even more special.
Yeah.
Made it even more special. It's once in a lifetime experience for me, and I never thought it would be this great.
Yeah, it's every single second is very exciting and different level, right?
And it's a different feel. Once you're inside with the Ducati bosses worldwide.
Yeah, they are very
To say the least,
amazing, and
yeah.
they are not. It's like when you go to meet some of the CEO or
Yeah.
Ducati bosses, they don't even talk to you.
Yeah.
These people just drink with you all night, right?
And just this morning we had a very insightful
Yeah.
discussion with
Yeah, DRE, Asia
guys,
Pacific
yeah.
manager.
especially with the MotoGP races, everything made sense now.
Yeah, all making sense.
Especially for me.
Yeah. So we had a great time, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Especially, I just want. This is what he said. Having a Ducati owner and getting the privilege, and you've been recognized by the world people from Ducati is something else, right?
I thought the local community of Ducati was already great.
Yeah.
Then now you experience the worldwide community of Ducati.
It's
It's
something
even more
else.
special. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the thing, guys. No other brand is doing this kind of thing. Only Ducati is providing this exclusive tour and everything. So if ever you want to go to World Ducati Week, baga sama rin yata
Oh
siya.
yes. One of my bucket lists.
Yeah. So you can join also for World Ducati Week. So we'll see you on July. We are going to the racetrack, guys. Yeah, we have our boss here. Our Siddharth Verma is here, and you see in the video earlier I posted of the launch of Desmo, and he is the best host, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very much. Thank you, guys.
What we are going to do today?
Today you will watch the race. You will watch the race from the VIP lounge of Big Box.
Okay.
And let's see, Mark does very well, hopefully, and Pecco does well as well.
Okay.
It should be very exciting.
Yeah, Siddharth is
Enjoy
here.
the race, guys. Okay?
Thank you. This is our second day going to the racetrack, guys. This is a main event of the day. Actually, the Sunday race. Totally puno-puno na yung mga tao sa taas doon sa pavilion. Sa mga iba-ibang areas. So, we will just go here and just look around for some time. Then we are going back to our hotel and we can see most of the angles from there. So I cannot actually post any MotoGP videos on the channel or in the Facebook because Donna is very strict. So I will be just showing you what actually we are doing here in Thailand. So see you later. And boys, this is the place of the riders are sleeping. This is Honda Alpine Star and all mga malupit. Dito yung mga stay nila. Where they stay when they come here. They have their own vehicle, Sempre. From Italy, bringing vehicle is crazy thing, diba, Doc? They choose to make like this. All our racers are staying here on these paddocks, these areas. All the brands also here. All the brand, HRC, team HRC is here. You know, everybody is here. LCR Honda, Zarco, Honda HRC. I'll show you something, one of channel, you know, TND Sports. These are the people here all the time. They do so many things. Now we will wait for the riders to arrive. This is a scene, behind the scene here in Paddock, guys. If you are in a VIP experience, you have a full access to this whole areas. What actually happening here, you can have a full access to all the riders. So there are so many celebrities and everybody is come. As you can see, that is Bastianini, Acosta, everybody has their own tuk-tuk. So, mamaya may tuk-tuk race din dito. So, something iba. So, that is one of the thing is VIP experience. When you come to the MotoGP, you can actually have the paddock experience. What they do is, you are in the paddock, the behind, then whoever coming, you can meet them, you can take a picture with them and all. Also, you're going to meet so many medias. These are the very, very famous media people are here. You meet them, you can interact with them, and not so many crowd here. You can just here is only limited because the experience is a little bit of expensive. If you want to come for this all the time, Miller is the thriller. He's always roaming around. One of the best guys in MotoGP. Very down to earth, very amazing guy. Miller is my favorite. So even on the racing, Mark is my favorite, but Miller something else. Very nice guy. These are the experience we are having. Like our dog said, this is his first time and he is experiencing all the privileges Ducati given to him. We are just exploring all the place, meeting the racers, meeting the riders, and all over. So let's see how it goes later. I will show you around one by one. So as you can see, there is a one guy is going very fast. That is Davide. Hanap natin mga idol natin dito, guys. Tingnan natin sino-sino dito. Dito, factory racing team ng KTM, Aprilia. There is Lasaki will be there. And KTM VR46 team. All mga malupit here. Miller is here. Normal lang sa kanila. Oh. So there is bike ni Toprak. He went to the toilet, I guess. Assalamualaikum, Toprak.
Salam.
How are you?
All good here?
You good?
Thank you.
We are from the Philippines.
Welcome.
You have a big fan.
Thank you.
Thank you, Toprak. And boys, this is a TND Sports. They are the one is doing most of the analyze and so many things they do. These are the team, TND Sports. Also, there is another team also here, Metacam. So there is another things also here. So many things they have. So many, you know, they can even watch. So this is how they analyze. Here is Peko. Hi Peko, good morning. Good morning Peko. These are the people waiting for Mark. When Mark is arrive, it's going to be crazy. All of them, they just wait for Mark all the time. See how many of them. Not like any other paddock. Mark paddock is always full with the people. I will just show you how they are arriving here on the paddock. They are just a normal, you know. They're just a normal, like, you know. Here is the man. Bike si Binder, oh. Hindi tayo nakita. Dito pala galing. Here is the boss of KTM. We have a picture with him. Good morning, Zarco. Zarco is there. So as you seen my video before, I was with the Zarco the whole day. Our malupit na manager, si Luciano. Best guys, very simple. Now we will wait for Besaki. Hintayin natin ang Besaki, di ba? Doc?
Yes.
So,
Number
yun.
1 for today.
Oh, so yun ang kami nangintay from yesterday pa. Besaki is crashed yesterday few times, so we couldn't meet him. Today hopefully we meet. Then we will just go around some of the places which people doesn't know, so where we can take a pictures, di ba? Wala ng crowd. Strategy lang dito guys. This is our VIP area guys. This is, hi, how are you? Good. So she's the one is organizing our stay here. This is a place is all the things happening. We have our own food, own place to stay, own place to watch. But we prefer that in the Bricks Box because that is more areas we can cover. There is different brand is here, and they have their food and the other supplies inside. So these are the experience you get when you have the VIP experience. So, tingnan nyo, that is a Ducati place. Ito yung mga food, breakfast, lunch, until 6 p.m. yata dito eh. Good morning. How are you? You good? So this is a VIP lounge area guys, Ducati. So this is actually all the things happen here. As you can see, everybody is sitting here and watching. And this is a great. So it's a practice now. So later we will see. So kunin natin ng tubig, unlimited food, unlimited drinks. Anong kailangan nyo dito? Meron. Yun ang maganda. Yan. Maraming drinks. Ooh, panis. Let's go. Here is father ni Besaki. Boss, one picture. Thank you. How's best? Good? Marini, can I take a picture? Thank you. Good luck later. Thank you.
นี่เป็นครั้งแรกเลยปกติยัง
Ito yung Moto 3 tsaka Moto 2 guys. Ito yung mga gawa nila dito. Katulad ng Pilipinas din, wala masyadong mga classy things. Only they do same like we are racing in the Philippines also. Ito yung ARC, Honda ARC team. This is a future MotoGP riders yan dito guys. Moto4 Asia Cup. We are from the Philippines. Say hi, fan.
Hello.
We are in the paddock guys. So, strategy lang. Mga kalat-kalat lang dito. So, para kita natin ang mga Moto2 riders dito. Tsaka Moto3. Tapos dito, mga MotoGP. Tsaka mga iba-iba. Thank you. Thank you. Davide is here guys. The busy man in our paddock. Ma'am Nadia, nice to meet you again. We met last time in Budubu.
yes
Hello boys, this is a boss of Alex Marquez. This is Nadia. That is Nadia is there. And all the mga malupit dito yung stay. So now, we are going to get some MotoGP merch. Then, we are going to watch today's race other side of the paddock. So, hanap tayo MotoGP merch. Bili tayo ng guys, official Ducati merchandise. Not Ducati. Ito, official MotoGP. Iba yung brand ito Grabe talaga ng mga tao dito sa tayo. I thought Pilipinas tayo ng mga motorcycle enthusiasts. Pero kita nyo, puno-puno na yung mga lugar dito. And everybody, grabe talaga sila. Solid official merchandise. Yan na boys, tapos na kami dito sa second day. So ngayon, we will watch the MotoGP on the TV. Also, in face-to-face next to the racetrack. Di ba, Doc?
The location is where you can catch most of the action.
Yeah, most of the action. We will sit next to the racetrack and we will show you some of the picture. But I cannot put a video, patay tayo. Goodbye Chang International Airport circuit. Now we will go to sit somewhere and tomorrow long trip na tayo. Doc,
Yes.
long trip yan bukas.
Boring cage ride naman.
Boring cage ride na almost 4.5 hours. Tapos matagal yung flight mo na mga 11 o'clock yung flight. So we will reach there probably afternoon. Tapos hintayin natin. Ikot-ikot tayo sa Bangkok.
Gala na muna.
Gala time na yan si Doc. Ako, 3 lang ako. So, yan o guys. Mamaya na lang. Parang anino ako dito mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ano-anong gawa nila dito sa Thailand. Grabe talaga ng experience. Thank you Ducati. Thank you Sir Toti, Ma'am Joy, Rizzy, Renzo, Eric. Mga lahat ng mga Ducati malupit. Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Doc, back to our favorite place.
Yeah.
So this is a place Doc was saying kanina, guys. This is place when you look at it, that is a full stretch. When you go down, here is a full stretch and there is full of corners. Mamaya I will show you. So this is actually Ducati doing. Ducati bring so many riders from different place and given food and everything, drinks, all the stuff. Marami sila dito. Puno-puno na yan dito, guys. Solid yan. So mamaya pakita ko sa inyo paano yung look ng track dito when they going to race. So now the Moto3 is done. Then it will start the Moto2. They are from India. They are from different countries. Solid. Okay guys, this is a place as I mentioned earlier. This is a place we are going to watch our MotoGP. Sorry. So Ducati put us here. As you seeing, that is a full stretch going there and we have a full coverage all the corners. So that is that is a one corner and there is, we can see almost 5 corners here. So this is a place we are staying. That is a place yesterday we stayed that area. So now we are in the opposite side with our near to our hotel. These are the spectators here. These all Ducati VIP experience people. Hi. So they are enjoying their MotoGP race. So marami ng tao yan dito guys. Ang dami Puno-puno na yun dito mga tao. Tapos dito from 7 a.m. until 12 midnight we have full drinks. Anong gusto nyo dito pwede. Lahat dito. Tapos sila yung mga waitress. They are the one is serving us. These people are available from 7 a.m. until midnight. You can just ask them what they want. They will just give it for you. Here is a food, of course. That is a real Italian style cheese. So here is they are here to serve everything. Mga food nila. Lupit panis. Doc, parang beef biryani ito Lamb biryani. Lamb biryani. Mamaya na, natirahin natin.
Gugutom din tayo ulit mamaya.
After watching the Moto2, we will
Kain ulit.
Mano Gonzalez. Guys, on the TV, I cannot show you more video in the MotoGP, but you can watch maybe in YouTube or somewhere. So we are going to watch this Moto2 race later na guys. Good morning guys. This is another day. We are leaving Buriram. Of course, syempre kasama natin si Doco. Panis. Malakay van reserve mo sa'yo na yan sa likod bo. Salamat Ducati Philippines. Yeah, here is our friend for today. So he is driving us to Bangkok and the Doc will have his flight later in the evening. So I will be leaving tomorrow. So this is a scene. Hopefully see you next year guys again here in Thailand with the same thing, maybe more exciting because 2027 is going to be something different because every rules has been changing. Here is some motorcycle riders from different countries. So they just line up here to take a pictures. Hello guys. So those are the guys also came for a MotoGP and they are leaving. Look at this area. All the place, it was like thousands of people were here. They are just removing all the stuff from these areas. See the location. How big is this? Grabe talaga. So this is a place we came. We roam around all the place and me and Doc is always roam around all the place. We walk all the places also. It's an amazing experience. So I will show you around how we go go outside on Buriram and show you how this country look like. So, tingnan nyo ito. Sobrang laki. How I think more than a month yata nang gawa nila ito eh. So, see the parking? Grabe no? Solid oh. So, there is a food place. You will be seeing one of my video. There is a one guy who make tea as like a helicopter spin. He did with the tea. So, let's go. And boys, we are on the road to Bangkok. Pero grabe talaga itong van guys. Tingnan nyo ito. Puro mga RPM, AFR meter. All things are there. And grabe talaga. Tulin talaga ito. 120, 140. Pag isang konting piga lang. Grabe talaga. Parang race car. Itong van. Oh, ano sabi mo, Doc? Itong van na yan. Lakas no?
Komportable pa rin.
Lakas no?
Komportable pa rin.
Parang sports car. Grabe talaga. Tapos meron siya ng mapping dito. Yung mapping ng gawa niya, nakita ko. So, he has a swipe card. So, when he is swiping the card, it will change the mapping. Ang lupit talaga ng mga Thai boys. Ano? Alam mo yung speed na yan, mga 120, 130, 140 yan. Van ito guys. Fully loaded with the ECU reflash and all. Tolin. This is actually province. Pero better than NLEX. Ganda oh. All places straight light. So when he piga, grabe talaga. Parang yung Ferrari ng tunog. Kaya na boys, we are on the way to Bangkok. But we asked the driver to stop us somewhere for lunch. And this is a place he stopped. Grabe talaga. Tingnan nyo ito guys. Oh, panis. Tingnan nyo. Dito kami sa lugar yan, malapit sa river. Ano Doc? Solid no? Mga lunch lang kami dito, but the place is parang tourist destination. Normal lang sa kanila dito yan. Oh, yun oh. Ito yung mga lugar na kami na mga lunch. Ito yung restaurant do. Solid oh. Ito yung restaurant, small waterfalls and the river. Oh yun oh. Maraming fish oh. Daming fish. Solid. Ganda rin restaurant. Sabi ko sa kanya, just to stop somewhere where we can eat some local food. And he showed me the map and he said this place is good. So I said okay. So we are here. Nice place. Amazing. Maganda yung restaurant din. So malamig yung gabi. Tapos sa loob pa. Solid. Solid yung lugar. Ano sabi mo? Ganda no?
Ayos.
Solid yung lugar oh.
Solid.
So kain muna kami. So si
Authentic food.
authentic food yan. Tingnan nyo, yung presyo, 290 or let's say 600 pesos. Pero yung portion nila sobrang malaki yan. Masarap dito, tapos mura pa. Mas maganda yung mga lugar. So maya na, pakita ko sa inyo na kami ng order.